No, I want to work to make some money. I want to save for my house while I'm waiting you here. So, if you come and leave me, you leave me in my own house, there in the farm. Then, we will continue our life. Now, you know that I want to give the needs of my kids also. I want to give them everything I can give. So, the salary here, not enough. I am waiting my papers will done. My cousin in Kuwait helped me find me an employer. So if the paper is done, I will work in the house there in Kuwait. I will take care of the disabled 23 years old lady there in Kuwait. So my salary is better. I can pay the fees of the school contribution, and I can give something to my kids. I will save money also for the house there in the farm while I'm working with it. But I will bring you there. Wherever I am, you are there for me. Okay?